Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use digital Walmart gift cards in store. First, ensure your digital gift card is easily accessible on your mobile device. Make sure your phone's screen brightness is set to a high level, which helps the scanner read the barcode efficiently. Having the barcode or the 16-digit card number ready will make your checkout process smooth and quick. When you reach the checkout, simply inform the cashier that you'll be paying with a gift card. Then, present your mobile device with the digital gift card barcode clearly displayed. The cashier will use their scanner to read the barcode directly from your screen. This method is usually very fast, allowing you to complete your purchase in just a few moments. If for any reason the barcode doesn't scan successfully, don't worry. You can simply provide the cashier with the 16-digit gift card number. They can manually enter this number into their system. In some cases, you might also need to provide the 4-digit PIN, which is usually found near the card number. This ensures your transaction goes through without a hitch. Before heading to the store, it's always a good idea to check your gift card balance online to know exactly how much you have available. Remember, Walmart gift cards do not expire, and there are absolutely no dormancy or service fees associated with them. Keep your digital card handy for future purchases, as it's a convenient way to pay.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.